has a direct relationship with each other. You can think of anything in the world that as one thing increases, the other one decreases. Then think of something that has an inverse relationship with each other. You don't have to come up with the numbers for it. Just give me an example of something that has direct relationship with each other. That means they both go in the same direction. Think of something in the world that has an inverse relationship with each other. It means as one increases, the other decreases. Okay? One example for each. And you can talk about it. Okay? So I give you 3 minutes. And direct doesn't always have to be positive. It has to be in the same direction. So you can say the potential decreases. Some people think it has to be. So that's right. So inverse. Think of something as something increases.
As summer approaches, winter fashion does not get sales. Like
Yeah, but I feel like that would be direct. Like as the temperature goes down, the fashion stuff goes down. Because they're in the same direction. Inverse kind of opposite direction.
Like something goes up, so another thing goes down.
So what's going up in that case? Yeah, so you could say as the temperature increases, the sales of winter clothes. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Finish up. If you need an idea, let me know. If you will, in this last minute, if you'll come together, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll count you 6, 7. I've got 7 groups. If you'll give me one from your whole group, think of one, the best direct you have and the best inverse. I'm going to call you for one of each, okay? From your whole group. Find the best direct you have and the best inverse. Okay, here we go. Let's bring it back together real quick. Okay? In elementary, they clap. We don't do that. Okay. I didn't know that until I got there, and then they were like, the first day I was in like first grade class, and they were like, and then the students of that town. Yeah, it works. All right, back corner. We'll start with you. So we want an example. Listen to these because they will help you. Okay, these are real world applications of these. So let's think of a direct variation. When the team scores more points, their confidence level increases. Okay, and in a direct variation problem, it would have a given number that it increases by, but we don't know that. We're just making up a problem. Perfect. Inverse.
When the temperature decreases, the snow percentage goes up.
When the temperature decreases, snow percentage goes up. I'm always thinking like that. Yep, perfect. All right, second group right here. I know you had some good ones. I already saw it. Go ahead. Pick one.
All right, for direct,
All right, they're going to go. Go ahead.
I put the more money I spend on groceries, the less money I spend on extracurricular activities.
The more money I spend on groceries, the less money I spend on extracurricular. That is inverse. Yep, that's fine. You realized it. Perfect. So you did an inverse. What's direct?
If you study 2 hours more each night, your test grade is 7.5.
Okay, if you study 2 hours more, your test grade is 7 points higher. So for every 2 hours, you increase by 7 points. That's a direct relationship. Perfect. All right, back to you.
Okay, okay, why am I, alright. I said that as every day goes by, your hair grows.
As the days go by, your hair grows. So as days increase, your hair growth increases. Okay, that actually is true until you get to about my age. Okay, next, inverse. Somebody else.
Hair group.
I told you how to be ready.
For what?
Inverse.
Oh, as temperature increases for winter clothing.
As temperature increases, they were saying the sales of winter clothes decrease. That's fine. All right, right here. We got.
I'm too tired for this.
Oh, no.
We accidentally wrote like the word.
As fatigue increases, the amount of work decreases. All right, I got that one. Next.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a perfect one, and that's actually one that would be in. That would probably be a question on a sheet somewhere, because think about it, you have an hourly wage, right? That's a perfect example of direct variation, because as you work more hours, you make more money. Okay? Is there an inverse one in that group?
As the demand for paper increases, the amount of trees decrease.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. She said, as the demand for paper increases, the amount of trees would decrease. Okay. Next. You want to go? Sure.
Direct, every 1 hour, 3 men are born. And then inverse, every 1 day auction loads decrease by 0.5%.
Yep. Perfect. I like it.
As you practice more, your skill will increase.
Uh-huh.
And then the amount of sleep decreases and the amount of fatigue increases.
Yeah. Okay. So they said as you practice more, your skills will increase. That should happen. And then as the amount of sleep increases, the amount of fatigue decreases would be an inverse. So just think about those. Now, an inverse relationship, I just want to briefly touch on this. If direct is y equals kx, does anybody know what inverse would be? Just a guess. It's y equals.
Negative.
Go, because think about it. If you multiply, that's commutative, right? So kx and xk would be the same thing.
X equals y.
It's y equals something.
Negative.
K divided by x.
Yes. It's done.
No.
There it is. So there's how you can think about the formula for what you're doing. So what I tried to do, just so you kind of get an idea of what I tried to do today, my goal was to make you think of real world situations and how that relates to what you're getting ready to do. Now, when you do some direct and inverse